Hello guys, this is your Preet. In this video, we will talk about a brand new feature of RankMath, the LLMS.txt file. If you're wondering what is LLMS.txt file and how it can help you in SEO and AI visibility. And in this tutorial, I will show you how to turn it on in WordPress website using RankMath SEO plugin. So first, let me explain about what is LLMS.txt file. LLMS is new file type which help guide AI models or train them about the content, like search engine AI or content crawlers to your most valuable content on your website. It's like a roadmap of AI. With the help of this file, you can highlight your most valuable content like a blog post, pages, product or service pages, or any type of content on your website you want AI understand better. So this tutorial is step by step. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can turn on LLMS.txt file on your WordPress website using RankMath simple step. So don't skip any part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started this. So this is my WordPress dashboard. So before we go into video, make sure you already install WordPress on your hosting platform. So next step, we have to install RankMath SEO plugin. With the help of RankMath SEO plugin, we can easily enable LLMS.txt file. So for that, we will go to plugins and click on add plugin. In the plugin, just search for RankMath SEO and you will find RankMath SEO plugin. You have to activate and follow the steps of dashboard. So let me show you. I already activate RankMath SEO plugin. Once you activate, you might see this option here. Let me show you. Click on setup widget. So you might see this option. You have to follow step by step. You can choose easy or advanced settings. After you complete this process, let me go back to my website and you have to go to initial setup of RankMath SEO plugin. You can go to dashboard option and number 3 option setup widget. You have to follow the setup widget in order to activate the plugin or modules correctly. To activate LLMS file, we have to visit here under the RankMath SEO plugin, click dashboard. Under the dashboard, you will see modules option. Under the modules, let me scroll down and you will find here LLMS text module. Serve a custom LLMS.txt file to guide AI models with post, terms, and most important content on your website. That means you might have some nice written content or article or blog post on your website. So AI here, just enable it. So what this will do, you are going to allow AI models to read or crawl your website most valuable content. You might have important blog posts, terms, or other pages, services. It will crawl your website content. So you have to activate or enable this module from here. You can directly click on setting. After you visit to the setting option, it will create your LLMS.txt file available at here. So it will activate and give you URL where you can directly click and check your LLMS content here. So after that, you have the option to select the post type you wanna include in LLMS.txt file. As I have enabled here post and pages, because I want to allow AI to crawl my pages and blog posts, because both are important, because both have important content on my website. And then there is an option to choose taxonomies. Taxonomies, we call it categories, tags, these are in the category of taxonomies. Select the taxonomies to be included in LLMS.txt file. If you want to include only categories, you have to select here categories. If you want to also include tags in LLMS.txt file, you have to also include tags. And the next option we have here, post terms limit. Maximum number of links to include each post type. So let me explain about this. Example, you have enabled the post here, select post type. I have enabled the post. In my website, I have more than one. So here you have to put the value and the maximum number of links to include each post type. So that means it will crawl 50 blog posts or 50 pages because we have set the limit here. Post terms limit. You can increase this limit if you wanna. Example, if I put here 100, so each post type you can see here it links to include for each post type. Each post type means like in the post, in the pages, in the categories. So every post type will have a limit of maximum numbers like 100 here. You have to put the value here. By default, it, it was there 50. And then next option we have additional content. Add any extra text or link you would like to include in your LLMS.txt file manually. So you have to put here links or any text you wanna include in LLMS. Example, you have exclude some categories or tags. You don't want to include taxonomies in the LLMS.txt file, but you can still manually put the URL of categories or any particular blog post here or pages. So you have to put those links or extra text in order to enable LLMs LLMS.txt file to crawl those manual links or extra texts. And then finally we will click here save changes. So if I click here LLMS text file, and you can see here the AI have access to crawl my blog post because we have select the 50, so it should be there 50. As you can see here, it start from the post, and my post here, I can see clearly my posts are showing here. Okay, so you can keep scroll down and see what type of content is included here. If I scroll down and it start from the pages as well, so that means these pages also will include to train AI models. If I keep scroll down and you will see optional some other information here, comment and generated by okay, so you have to carefully complete these basic setting in order to enable LLMS.txt file on your WordPress website. So let me give you an example here of when we search here in the Google about any query, like I search here how to install WordPress, and AI overview give me some information because when we search in the Google or you are using ChatGPT or any AI model to find any question or their answers or any content, or you need help with any type of content, there are more chances that AI can pick the relevant answers from different websites where AI already trained or AI have access to crawl those website content. And there are possibility of when someone search any particular query related on your website content, and AI might suggest them your website, or AI can pick answer from your website because you allow AI to crawl the website content it will train AI and understand about your website content is about. So once you enable LLMS file on your WordPress website, and the AI models will start crawling your website content, and it's actually save your website content into the brain of AI models. So if you have any question, just let me know in the comments. I will definitely reply you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.